Hello everyone, welcome to another brand new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to quit a Slack workspace. As you can see, I've already opened my Slack workspace. All you have to do is go to the bottom left corner, click on your profile and go to the profile. As you can see, I've already opened my profile, and here you will have to just click on these three dots, click on it, go to the account settings, and a new tab will appear, and all you have to do is scroll down, and here you will find deactivate your account. Just click on your deactivate your account and another window will pop up, and they will say, are you sure you want to deactivate your account? If you want to deactivate account, just click on this and just click on this button and click on this deactivate my account, and your account will be deactivated from that particular workspace. This is how you can quit a workspace in Slack. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions, please write down in the comment section. Please leave a like button and subscribe. Thank you.